Welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today we are doing an amazing Reuben sandwich. First off, get yourself the point of a corned beef brisket. Add whole peppercorns, garlic cloves, pickling spice, a quartered onion, and this needs no explanation. And this needs no explanation. And some brown sugar, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, and put this in the oven at 300 degrees for 1 hour per pound. Once it's done, turn the oven off, take it out, and see what you have. Now we'll make the sauce for this Reuben sandwich. Start off with mayonnaise, add sour cream, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, your horseradish, of course. Next is going to come your Frank's Red Hot sauce we use for this recipe today. A tablespoon of grated onion. We have ground mustard, paprika, salt, and pepper. Whisk until you have a nice, beautiful sauce. Now you need to assemble your sandwich and take it outside. There you have it, an amazing Reuben sandwich on the Blackstone griddle. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.